This is the 64-kilometer Owerri-Mbaise-Umuahia road that is under construction. The construction of this road was flagged off around August last year by the Governor of Imo State, His Excellency Hope Uzodinma. The construction is being undertaken by Cranbrook Construction Company, and they are converting the road to dual carriage with dual drainage system and solar-powered street lights. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you today? Demolition of shops and structures took place from Ebu to Emekoko to establish standard width of the road. The road has been expanded from 6 meters dual carriage to 7.3 standard width carriage. The road construction is in line with Governor Hope Uzodinma's commitment to transformation of the state. It will have a positive impact on reducing traffic congestion and aid in transportation of goods and services, which is crucial to the improvement of the living and working conditions of the rural population. The idea is to make sure that rural dwellers are not cut off from wider socio-economic activities. The road construction will not only transform rural lives, but bring them closer to the urban centers for enhanced economic development and social interaction. It will also give comfort to road users. The dust on this road no be beans, so it's plenty. This road construction is from Owerri to around that 7.5 junction in Obowo local government area of Imo State. Dear mom, thank you so much for watching this video and for always taking out your time to watch my videos. Una own no go spoil. Please kindly give this video a thumbs up, share this video, comment nicely, subscribe if you are yet to be a subscriber. Tell me what you think about this road construction in the comment section. Please remember to turn on your notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Don't also forget that I have a lot of other interesting videos on this channel, and please kindly watch this video to the end. Stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you for watching this video. Anticipate my next video because it's gonna be a banger. Bye.